Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Good morning everyone!
Good morning everyone!
We are the
We're
Live,
three.
Live Good Baby!
Yeah, we are twins. No. Hi guys. My name is Jana.
Oh, you're Jana.
What's your name?
My name is Michelle.
Okay. You mommy?
Hi everyone!
A name. Grayson.
Oh, this is Grayson. Another one here.
Look. Say.
There you
say,
go.
Hi Grayson.
Say hi, Grayson.
Hi everybody.
Hi everyone. Good
My name
morning.
is Jana.
Oh, your
My
name
name
is
is
Jana.
Mommy. My name is
Oh.
Grayson.
Oh, yeah. Okay, nice
My
to
name
meet
is
you,
Jana.
everyone. Nice to meet you, everybody.
Cookies aside. Bye.
Just subscribe.
Bye bye everybody.
Hello po. Habang nag-aantay po tayo ngayon ng aking may make-upan because meron pong isang kumuha sa akin na tao na kaibigan ko na magpapa-makeup po later. Kasi graduation niya po ngayon. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano sino mag-aalaga kay Grayson. Pero before that, magva-vlog muna tayo. Okay, I just want to discuss about the website of Live Good. Because we are the Live Good, baby. Okay. So, mag-start po ako kung paano po dyan i-open ang website ng Live Good. Okay. So, we'll start. Ano ko ba papakita to? Ayan po. Ilalagay ko siya sa likod para. Yan po. Oh, makikita mo dyan. Yan. Ayan po. So, pupunta ka lang sa livegood.com. Yun lang po ang website. Pag sinearch mo sa Google, just type livegood.com. Ayun po sa taas. livegood.com. So, magsasign in ako. Pero naka-sign in na ako lahat. Ayan. So, naka-save na ako. So, log in now. Yan. Ayan po ang lalabas. Makikita niyo po. Yan. So, I'm using the iPad. Ayan, sabi niya, welcome, Michelle Bautista. You're in control. So, see, sa halagang $50 na binayaran mo, meron ka ng business and this is your website. Sa'yo yan. That's why sinasabi ni Live Good na you're in control. Kasi back office mo yan. Ikaw ang magkocontrol niyan. So, for example, yung upline mo, hindi nag-refer ng kahit ano, hindi mo siya pwedeng sisihin because you're in control of your business. Ikaw mismo sa sarili mo. Kapag gumalaw ka, alam mo na may mangyayari. Pero kung hindi ka talaga pong slow ang pag-usad mo. So, dyan, mag-start po tayo. Sabi niya, welcome mo. Saan ka po ba nakakita ng ganyan na binigyan ka ng website under your name? Pag nagpagawa ka po niyan sa labas, yan, libo-libo po at $1,000 din ang magagastos mo. Lalo na e-commerce, hindi nyo po yan makukuha ng lower price lang magpagawa. Maybe you can research sa mga magtatanong po kayo sa mga IT kung magkano ang e-commerce na website. So, dyan po, na one-time fee mo lang yun binayaran. Ang gagawin mo lang po talaga is magsusubscribe monthly para makasali ka sa compensation plan at yung matching bonus in the future. Pero along the way, at masipag ka, katulad ko, syempre, kikita ka talaga along the way kasi every week, meron kang, kung masipag kang mag-refer, talagang papasok po sa iyong pera. Nagpasok ka ngayong week na to, and the next week, Thursday, cut off po, meron ka na. The other week. Tapos sunod-sunod na po yun kung pasok ka ng referral every week. Yun po yung tinatawag na fast start bonus. So, 'di ba? Saan ka naman nakakita po ng gano'n na Refer ka ng tao, tapos meron kang $25 back. So, per head. Infinity po yun. Unlimited siya. So, kung papasok ka rin po sa trabaho, di ba? Every morning, gigising ka ng maaga. O sa mga nagko-commute pa po, mas mahirap, di ba? Drive ka every day mo yung gagawin. And then after 2 weeks, doon ka po sa sahod. Same thing lang po dito. Sa Live Good. Paghihirapan mo din po, pero katulad ko, to nakaupo, nagsasalita. Sanang mahirap. Papasok ako ng 8 hours and I'll stay there. Ito, mga ilang oras ko lang po gagawin to. Baka 30 minutes lang. Kasi umiiyak na si Grayson soon. So, dito po makikita po natin na welcome Michelle, you're in control. So, it means this is your control panel. Sa'yo po yan. Binigay po ni Live Good. Dito po sa 3 button na to, makikita nyo po lahat dyan. Home, membership. Makikita mo yung membership mo kung nagbayad ka ngayon o hindi. So, kapag hindi ka nakapagbayad ng membership mo, mahuhulog ka sa matrix. Mahuhulog ka sa compensation. Wala ka na sa compensation plan in the future. Kaya, yan po ang pinaka-heart ng pagsali talaga sa Live Good. Para yung in future mo is with a residual income, passive income na kahit natutulog ka na lang, merong kang nare-receive na monthly para ka na nagpe-pension. So, dyan po yung mga products, info, lahat po yan. Kailangan mo pong i-open kung affiliate ka na ng Live Good at aaralin mo po yan lahat. Okay? So, nandyan lahat, pati yung info mo. Ito po, i-open ko po to. Ito po yung enroller. Sabi niya, my enroller is at Marella and Divina Bateman, and then ito po yung diamond leader ko, si Noel Caparoso. Yan. Umiiyak na po. So, ayan nga po. Tingnan po natin. Pag-aralan po natin ang back office nitong Live Good. So, dyan makikita mo. And then, babalik po ako sa home. Ayan po yung mga products ng Live Good. Ayan po yung mga referral ko na nag-sign up. Tapos, dito po sa baba, makikita nyo po, corporate site, sabi niya. Yung corporate site po, binigay po yan ni Live Good sa'yo. Tignan mo, may website dito na ika-copy-paste mo lang. Tapos, pag clinic mo yan, medyo matagal. Ayan po ang lalabas. Ayan. Diyan ka po pwedeng, yan po ang iyong website na sarili mo. Kung gusto mo pong umorder ng products, meron ka pong almost 80%. Saan ka naman po makakita ng almost 80%? Tapos, highest quality pa po ito. 100% organic na products. Kumbaga, may mabibili kang ganyan sa market, pero hindi affordable price ng katulad ng Live Good. They're all the same ingredients, or hindi ko pa nakita na same ingredients. Meron at merong kulang sa kanila kasi for how many months po talagang nag-check po ako sa lahat ng mga stores na talagang si Live Good lahat ng stamp niya, lahat na check talaga ng mga science talaga. Mga laboratory test, merong third party lab pa siya na talagang keto-friendly pa siya. Pati yung ginamit po na capsule niya is made of organic po. Kaya wala pong synthetic na Be careful po sa mga murang mabibili nyo dyan na mga, vitamins to, mura lang. Titignan nyo rin po kung ano po yung iinumin nyo. Baka galing na po yan sa na para lang makapagbenta. For example, vitamin C. Vitamin C ay napakamurang gawin lang po, pero yung iba po, tingnan nyo po yung mga ingredients sa loob. Kung talaga pong certified po ba siya ng mga biyasang lab na nag-check. So, yan po. Diyan po. I-click nyo lang po yung products dyan sa corporate site. Makikita nyo po. Tingnan nyo po yung multivitamins na panglalaki, pambabae, vitamin D, yung magnesium po, protein, Super green, oh, the best yan. Super red. Ito rin po, magnesium. Dati po, hindi po ako nakakatulog ng gabi. Pero ito po, talaga, proven ko po yan. Talagang, lahat po ng products ng Live Good. Lalo na po tong coffee, super green, super red. Oh my God. I love it, talaga. Ito po. Ito pong inflammation management. Sabi nga doon sa ingredients, ang ingredients niya to, makikita mo naman din dito. Lahat. Yan po, oh. Andito po lahat yan. Lahat ng pag-aaral. Babasahin mo po. Anti-inflammation po siya. So, sa may mga arthritis dyan, proven na po ito. Na talagang, yun. So, dyan mo po makikita yan sa corporate site. Open ko po ulit kasi I just wanna compare the price outside and here in Live Good. Tignan niyo po ito. Oh. So, for example, this multivitamins. Makikita niyo po, oh. Kung hindi po kayo member, ang retail price po is 14. Pero kung member po kayo, $9 nyo lang po makukuha yan. And high quality products po siya, 100% organic. And galing po siya sa mga pristine places in the world. So yan, ang laki po talaga ng discount niya. Maaaring mabibili mo itong mga to, high quality products sa kahit anong store. Marami naman dyan. Costco, ang mga anumang ano. Pero po, pareho sila ng quality, high quality, pero yung binibenta sa labas, hindi po affordable ang presyo. Siyempre, nagbebenta sila ng high quality. Bakit naman po nila ibababa ang presyo? Ito po, kaya po nakababa ang presyo. Nasa margin na po, wala na pong parang kita si Live Good dyan eh. Kumbaga parang ipinasok lang po ito dahil po sa club membership. Pero kung hindi po siya nakakapaloob sa club membership, hindi po ganyan ang magiging presyo niyan. Kasi it's a high quality. Hindi mo po siya mabibili ng basta-basta sa labas lang. So, yun po. Ano pa po ba? Ang makikita mo dito sa... Next po tayo, galing po tayo sa corporate site, di ba? So, dito po tayo, sabi niya, retail site. Ayan naman po. So, for example, member na po kayo, affiliate na po kayo. Ito po, ikaka-copy paste mo lang ito and i-send mo sa tao na ayaw mag-member at gustong bumili lang. Sige friend, kung sinabi niya sa'yo na bili na lang muna ako ng products mo. Tapos ibigay niyo lang po tong website na to. Copy link, shoplivegood.com. Yan po yung name ko. Sa inyo din po, once naging affiliate kayo, name niyo po ang nakalagay dyan. Ayan po ang retail site ko. Nandyan po. Pupunta ka na naman po doon sa product at lalabas naman po yung mga product na yon. So, yun lang po. Isisend mo po sa customer mo and then doon na sila bibili sa shop na yon. And then, bahala na si Live Good magpadala sa kanila doon sa address na i-fill up nila doon. See, it's how easy and convenient it is. Diba? Parang, alam mo yun, hindi ka nakatulad ng mga araw na networking na bibigyan ka, auto ship, papadala sa'yo, sige matatambakan ka ng mga lahat ng items at products sa bahay mo, tapos i-stock mo lang sa pantry mo, and then after, not even a year, expired na. So, paano po mo i-enjoy yun, diba? Natambakan ka na ng lahat ng products. Tapos, hindi mo mabenta kasi pagka mahal-mahal, it's a good quality. Hindi ko kini-question yun. Kasi naging member din po ako dati ng isang magandang company. Nag-start sa letter U. Alam niyo na po yun. Maganda ang products nila pero grabe po eh. Kung i-convert ko po sa peso mga umaabot po siya ng mga 2,000 yung products, diba? More than, up and up, more than talaga. As in, ang laki po ng difference niya. So, hindi siya affordable. Sino pong magtitake ng ganun, diba? Na napakasakit sa bulsa. So, at saka, walang compensation. I mean, hindi siya, walang matching bonus in the future. Ganun ba? At saka, yung compensation plan po niya na hindi siya nakapaloob sa club membership, subscription. Yun po ang pagkakaiba talaga. Malaking pagkakaiba nun. Pangatlo po tayo. So, dito po, makikita nyo po dito na, ayan, dito po tayo sa pangatlo. So, natapos na po ako sa corporate site, retail site, ayan po. Dito naman po tayo sa Power Landing Page. Pag sumali ka po, ayan na po yung landing page mo. Hindi ka na po magpapagawa pa sa labas. Do you know how much is this worth to make a Powerline landing page sa labas sa mga IT? Napakamahal po yan para andyan na po lahat yan. Ika-copy paste mo po ito at isi-send mo po sa friend mo na gustong sumali at maging affiliate ng LiveGood. Andyan na po. So, pag clinic ko po ito, ayan po ang lalabas. Andyan na po, up to 75% off. So, andyan na po si Ben Glinsky na nagsasalita. Lalagay lang po nila dito yung first name, last name, and email, and reserve my position now. I-click po nila yan. Tapos may darating po na email sa kanila to secure their position. Para, sa matrix po kasi. So, nandyan. Pag clinic mo to, andyan po yung parang introduction ni Ben Glinsky. So, let's play it, okay?
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of LiveGood. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our Director of Network Marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created LiveGood. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry.